What if you could instantly make any photo look professionally shot, even the ones you took years ago? Google Photos just dropped a game-changing Ultra HDR update, and it's turning ordinary images into vibrant, high-impact masterpieces. Before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Your support helps us bring you the latest in tech innovation. Google is rolling out a powerful new feature inside Google Photos that upgrades regular photos to Ultra HDR, even if they weren't originally taken in HDR. This means brighter highlights, deeper contrast, and ultra-realistic visuals that pop, especially on the latest HDR-compatible displays like modern iPhones, Google Pixels, and Samsung Galaxy S devices. You'll find the new Ultra HDR option in the Adjust section while editing photos in Google Photos. It's a simple slider placed between contrast and tone. But keep in mind, if you only see HDR effect instead of Ultra HDR, your account hasn't been updated yet. Google is still testing it with select users. So what's the big deal? Traditional HDR tools enhance your photo, but they don't create true HDR images. Ultra HDR adds something called a gain map, invisible data that your phone or computer uses to unlock next-level color and brightness on HDR screens. Photos look punchier, more dynamic, and closer to how the scene looked in real life. This is especially great for content creators and social media pros. Whether you're working with regular photos, digital art, or even AI-generated images, Ultra HDR makes your visuals stand out on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Just check out @GregBenzPhotography for stunning examples. However, there are a few caveats. Images converted to Ultra HDR are significantly smaller, dropping from around 11 MB to just 2.8 MB in some cases. That might mean a loss of image quality, so it's smart to keep your original files. Another interesting note: it's still unclear how exactly Google is enhancing these images. Some believe AI may be involved in recreating lost highlight details, since standard images don't usually contain the full range of data needed for HDR. But for now, the results are surprisingly impressive. Want to try it out? Update Google Photos to version 7.24.0 747539053 or higher. Then open a photo, tap Edit, and look for the Ultra HDR slider in the Adjust section. You can even apply the effect to text or graphic images to make them pop like never before. And if you can't wait for the official rollout, you can use tools like Adobe Photoshop and WebSharp Pro to experiment with HDR conversions manually. Just remember, only Ultra HDR compatible apps and devices will fully display the enhanced version. Everyone else will just see the standard version of your photo. Ready to take your photos to the next level? Don't forget to watch the related video in the corner to explore more tools that will supercharge your creative workflow.